Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, great Thursday to you. I don't know what a great Thursday would be, but every day is great to me. So I hope you're having a great Thursday yourself. Listen, I was just standing here talking to my beautiful wife, also known as YouTube's own Flowerbomb31. And, we were having a discussion about, I always like to use the movie Groundhog's Day to help you know what I mean when I say that if every day feels like the same and you don't like that, because a lot of people like that, and that's fine. Eventually, those of you who are like me, you get sick of the hamster wheel and you realize that you're not actually going anywhere. You're just keeping yourself company by running, and it's comfortable, you know what to expect. But there's no growth, right? That's the thing. Where's the growth? Where's the development? Especially for the mind, right? Physically, there's a lot of people work out, but they do nothing up here. They repeat themselves. They're in a pattern. They don't progress. And nothing against the people. I love those people. I just want them to become more aware of their potential. And by staying in a certain mindset does not allow for, by definition, any kind of growth. So we were talking, Natalie made a comment that when she went to Starbucks, she literally felt like she was in Groundhog's Day. Like something, not like a deja vu, but literally like it's happened. The exact same women, the exact same questions, the exact same everything. And I think she had like an aha moment that maybe I still have some things that I do that are Groundhog's Day-ish. I think we all do. But the fun is developing those and finding out what they are in the areas that we can continually develop. So if you relate to this, drop me a line and let me know what it was that you thought, I'm good here, and then you realized that you were really stagnant. I'd love to hear it. All right, guys, have a great day.